Hello, my little friends. Let's explore some fun and interesting facts about African elephants. 1. African elephants are gigantic. African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Imagine an elephant that can stand as tall as a two-story building. They're so big that even their hearts are the size of small cars. 2. There are two kinds of African elephants. African elephants come in two types, savanna elephants and forest elephants. Savanna elephants like wide open grassy areas, while forest elephants live in dense, leafy jungles. 3. Big ears. Help them stay cool. African elephants have enormous ears that are shaped like the continent of Africa. These big ears are not just for hearing, they also help the elephants cool down. When it's hot, they flap their ears to make a breeze and lower their body temperature. 4. They have amazing trunks. Elephants have the coolest noses in the animal kingdom, their trunks. A trunk is like a super long nose that can reach branches high up in trees or scoop water from a river to drink. They use it for eating, drinking, and even as a snorkel when swimming. Thank you, my little friends, for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more and exciting nature shows and tell you all about nature's heroes. Bye for now. Until next time, bye-bye.